Hello, and welcome to Free Hypnosis-IHF. This is your tip of the week. I'm Kathy Kennedy, your host, and today your co-host, Shelley Nicholas Stockwell, has a very special guest that she'd like to introduce. Shelley,
hi everybody. You are about to meet one of the most important people in my entire life, and I mean my entire life, my sweet brother. This is Dr. Sasha Alex Lesson.
Aloha.
He's from Hawaii, and he is a legend. He is an anthropologist, a cultural anthropologist. He has a PhD in anthropology from UCLA. He's been in the field and studied Tonganese people. He's remarkably brilliant. He's written many books on the Anunnaki and alienology. I'd love you to give us a tip of the week, Dr. Lesson.
No problem. Dig what you've got, don't sweat what you've not. Up-level your addictive demands where you suffer if you get or don't get something to just preferences and enjoy what you've got in the present. And if you get more, wonderful. If you don't get more, you're already okay. So dig it.
So is there something we can do to dig it right now in this moment?
Absolutely. All you need to do is be here right now. What is available for you in this moment for you to enjoy yourself?
So take a deep breath. Maybe close your eyes for a minute and think about something that is absolutely amazingly wonderful. For me, I'm sitting next to my brother and talking to Kathy Kennedy and you online here. Just enjoy your moment.
And I'd say go beyond thinking about anything and just perceive what is. If you're kinesthetic, what do you feel? If you're auditory, what do you hear? What do you taste? Everything is here for you to enjoy your here and now, unless you're letting your consciousness be dominated by the dead past or the imagined future. Be here now.
Beautiful. So, sweet brother, how do they get a hold of you? www?
EnkiSpeaks.com.
How do you spell Enki?
ENKISPEAKS.com. Enki is the ancient Adonai of the Bible, the good God who loves us.
Awesome.
Aloha.
Thank you, babe.
well, thank you so much. That was wonderful. And Shelley, do you have anything else to add before we close?
Yes, I want to add that we're having a wonderful time presenting these free hypnosis-IHF to you. And if there's anything you want to learn about, anything you want to master, please feel free to call 310-541-4844, because we're here for you, and we are hip, and we all gnosis everything. Bye for now.
Thank you, Shelley. And everybody, please remember to join us on the third Thursday of every month for Free Hypnosis-IHF. And the code number for that is, let me pull this up here, it's 205-469-239. 205-469-239. Look forward to seeing you on the third Thursday of every month. Thank you so much. Bye.